Hi there, this video is called next week's extraordinary, super warm weather forecast UK 2022. Like this video, is visit, please and thumbs up. The place of interest with the global sea temperature of the west coast of South America, epitopic region, the North Pacific Ocean, upper global sea temperature, the North Atlantic, upper global sea temperature, the west coast of Africa, upper global sea temperature, and the Gulf of Mexico, upper global sea temperature. See what's going on today, guys. Fascinating! So it's like off in the eastern part of the epitopic region right now. You go towards enso-neutral, and the western part is still weak La Nina, a moderate La Nina, and the North Pacific Ocean is getting a lot warmer in the east and cooler in the west, and warm and hot in the middle. And the North Atlantic is the same as it has been for most of this winter, quite hot and warm, and the same in the Gulf of Mexico. It smells like a bad tornado system called the southeast of North America this year, with a very hot water upper global sea temperature down there across the southeast of North America. Look out for tornadoes across the southeast of America this year. It's really dangerous. This is the set computer model. American model for the future prediction for the UK weather forecast. We're going for the 24th of March. Talking about winds coming from the southeast there, quite warm, combined air coming from France, high pressure down here across France, quite warm there, high pressure from the north, quite warm winds from the east or southeast there, and you name it, quite warm. Right, we'll go from this present time right now, 15th March, we're talking about winds coming from the southwest. Southeast, quite strong, quite warm there to the southeast. High pressure going towards Scandinavia. That's going high. In southeast winds, quite warm southeast winds as we go to the 20th of March and the 21st of March. Quite got low pressures in there. Might be some rain across the southwest through Cornwall and Devon as we go to the 23rd of March. So that's that. This is the upper air temperature for Woking Town. And as you can see down here, the red line is the 30 average line. The white line is where the temperature is going. And you see it's going well above it on the 17th to 18th of March. There will be a lot of rain on the 17th, 18th, well, 16th, 17th of March, of course, Woking Town locally. That's the rainfall spikes at the bottom. And you name it, and the temperature will go stay above it, go below around about the 23rd of March and 24th of March, and then go back above average around about the 26th of March and stay at average, and then it goes to average around about the end of March into the, you name it, the first week of April. And you name it, and it would go well above it as you go into April. And yes, there is a blue line here outlayer as you go into April, which might be quite cold, frosty mornings as we go into the first week of April. There's an outlayer, and down here the green line's going, it's the control line going down here towards the end of So there are suggestions at the beginning of April might be cold, chilly, maybe frosty cold mornings, but it's all to play for. Of course, Woking Town locally, that's that, and there are a lot of rainfall spikes down in the bottom for the future. This is the weather forecast at Woking today. And you're talking about the winds coming from the east, the southeasterly. Tomorrow, sorry, the 16th of March. And yeah, southeasterly winds, a high of 12 Celsius. There'll be light showers and heavy rain later on. This rain might be heavier than this suggests, I reckon, tomorrow across Woking Town locally. I might be wrong. It'll go on into the evening, and then it'll be a nice day on Thursday, 17th March. Westerly winds, it's not westerly, 7 miles per hour. Quite warm. Cold in the mornings though, chilly in the mornings, but quite warm in the daytime. So it might be light frosty in the morning. And you can see it's looking pretty pleasant into the future. And the temperature's going well above average, especially on the way into the 23rd of March and the 24th. It's usually 14 Celsius as a high in March, not 16, 17 or 18 Celsius. That's the light April temperatures. Very unusually warm, quite bizarre, quite balmy. As I did predict on the Woking radio station recently. I'm always 85% rather than across Woking Town locally. You can see what's going in the future. And yes, you can see here, Bracknell is going to be a heavier rain. According to this, yeah, I'm going to go around Bracknell Forest tomorrow afternoon. I'll get a video for you. And yes, I'm walking tomorrow around Bracknell Forest. I'm walking up there from Woking. And yeah, you can see what it was doing in the future. There's a lot of showers around there. The pressure is literally going up. It's going to the future. 1016, so it's quite high pressure wise. This is what the road's doing currently across the UK. It's about a lot of rain, mainly a lot of rain across the northwest of England, across Scotland, about hill snow on the sides of Scotland, and snow across the mountains of Scotland. That's the blue colour, and the green colour is rain, mainly because of rain across northwestern England, across the Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland this evening. There's no rain across England this evening, not much anyway, maybe a little bit. This is the weather across southeast of North America right this minute, guys. You can see what's going on. You've got tornado activities. You've got some tornadoes across the southeast of North America, F1s, F3s, F2, F3 tornadoes around here across the southeast of North America right now to look out for. You can see what's going on. So there you go. That's what I was doing. So like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.